Do you ever feel tired of daily traffic jams and the incessant honking of horns? Imagine a world where traffic is no longer a nightmare, but a smooth and exhilarating experience. That future is not far off. We are on the cusp of a transportation revolution. From horse-drawn carriages to cars, from steamships to airplanes, humanity has always yearned for speed and convenience. Yet today, major cities grapple with severe congestion, pollution, and significant time waste. Future transportation promises to solve these issues, bringing efficiency, safety, and environmental friendliness. Personal flying cars are no longer science fiction but are slowly becoming reality, transforming how we travel. Imagine your morning commute free of traffic, instead a smooth flight through the air. Elevated landing pads will become new transportation hubs, connecting every destination within the city. Autonomous flying taxis, or drone taxis, will offer a fast and convenient mode of transport. With just a few taps on an app, you can summon a drone taxi for door-to-door pickup. Intelligent air traffic management systems will coordinate thousands of flights, ensuring absolute safety. Directly integrated into urban architecture, drone taxis will take you right to your doorstep. No need to transfer. For adventure seekers, personal jetpacks will unlock unprecedented freedom of movement. From urban commuting to exploring new territories, the sky will truly be your limit. Jet propulsion and high-energy battery technology are turning the dream of personal flight into reality. Below ground, Hyperloop promises to revolutionize long-distance travel with hypersonic speeds. Pods travel within vacuum tubes, minimizing friction, reaching speeds of thousands of kilometers per hour. Hyperloop stations will be modern architectural marvels, connecting major cities in mere minutes. Self-driving cars will be the new standard, eliminating human error and optimizing traffic flow. Freeing us from driving, allowing us to utilize travel time for work, entertainment, or relaxation. Automated parking systems will solve the problem of finding parking, saving valuable urban space. Autonomous trains will enhance the efficiency and safety of public rail transportation systems. Driverless electric buses and trams will provide seamless public transit, minimizing waiting times. All vehicles will be coordinated by artificial intelligence, responding instantly to passenger demand. Personalized public transport vehicles will appear on demand, offering maximum privacy and convenience. Cargo drones are revolutionizing logistics, especially in last-mile delivery. From small packages to large goods, drones can traverse any terrain, reaching every corner. Combined with automated warehouses, drones create a super efficient and uninterrupted supply chain. The future is seamless integration between transportation modes, from ground to air. Smart cities will use AI to optimize all movement flows, minimizing congestion and pollution. Smart mobile applications will be your personal control center, helping you plan every journey. AI-powered predictive maintenance systems will ensure all vehicles operate optimally, preventing unexpected breakdowns. Clean energy is core, with electric vehicles and smart charging systems everywhere. Future transportation is not only efficient but also environmentally friendly, aiming for a greener planet. Artificial intelligence and advanced sensors will ensure maximum safety, minimizing traffic accidents. Looking further, future transportation may extend beyond our planet, exploring space. We are witnessing an explosion of groundbreaking ideas and technologies. Let's together imagine and build a limitless transportation future, where every journey is an experience. Diverse flying car models will cater to every need, from personal sports vehicles to family transport. Personal home landing pads will make door-to-door travel easier than ever before. Not just within cities, flying cars will connect regions, significantly shortening intercity travel times. Full autonomous mode lets you relax or work throughout the journey, without worrying about control. Intelligent air traffic control will coordinate thousands of flying cars, creating safe sky highways. 24/7 flying taxi service will ensure you always have transport, day or night. An automated charging station network will keep the taxi drone fleet ready for service, without interruption. Advanced technology enables drone taxis to operate safely in various weather conditions. Jetpacks are not just for leisure but also for emergency rescue, accessing difficult locations. In construction, jetpacks help workers access high and difficult positions, increasing work efficiency. A global Hyperloop network will connect continents, turning the world into a large village. Renewable energy will power the Hyperloop, ensuring a sustainable mode of transportation. Customizable, comfortable interiors will provide maximum relaxation during high-speed journeys. Self-driving trucks will optimize road logistics, reducing transport costs and increasing road safety. Autonomous delivery vans will make urban freight transport faster and more efficient. Advanced sensor technology helps self-driving cars interact safely with pedestrians and cyclists. Compact autonomous shuttles will provide personalized transportation services within urban areas. Automated underground transport networks will relieve surface pressure, thoroughly solving congestion. Medical drones will transport medicines, samples, and even organs, saving many lives. In disasters, cargo drones are powerful relief tools, delivering goods to isolated areas. Industrial drones will handle heavy material transport on large construction sites and factories. Massive automated drone ports will serve as freight distribution centers, operating 24/7 non-stop. Dynamic lane management systems will adjust traffic in real time, preventing congestion. Smart traffic lights will no longer operate on fixed cycles but based on real traffic flow. Personalized travel experience with real-time information, optimal route choices with just a touch. Contactless payment systems, integrated across all modes, make every transaction swift. Renewable energy hubs will power the entire future transportation system. Recycled materials and eco-friendly manufacturing processes are central to the new transport industry. Intelligent collision avoidance systems use radar, LiDAR, and cameras to predict all risks. Cybersecurity is a top priority, protecting systems from attacks, ensuring continuous operation. Integrated health monitoring systems will track passengers, automatically contacting support when needed. Future transportation will drive economic growth, creating millions of new high-tech jobs. Everyone, regardless of wealth, can access modern, convenient transportation. Reduced travel time means more time for family, friends, and personal hobbies. We can even imagine interplanetary travel, exploring new horizons. One day, personal aerial mobility will be as common as walking, completely transforming urban life. Cities will become intelligent mobility ecosystems, where everything connects and operates harmoniously. Future transportation will be for everyone, barrier-free, with no limits to accessibility. The road ahead is long, but with continuous innovation, we will build this future. Let's contribute together to the transportation revolution for a more connected and sustainable world. The future has begun. Get ready for an incredible journey.